Our agitations tomorrow for sit-in demonstrations will be shifted at Malki ground, not at Kyllaiñ Ba, not at that place which have been announced just now. So we are shifted from Kyllaiñ Ba to Malki ground. And the permission also has been informed by the magistrate that the permission are granted to sit in demonstration in Malki ground, at Malki ground.
What would you like to tell the
Public? We would like to request all the owners and the drivers, especially, and mostly the public, also those who want to join hand with us. We request them to please come and join with us tomorrow at around 1 o'clock at Malki ground for sit-in demonstration to pressure the government to solve this problem which we have been faced day by day, and also our indefinite strike also will going on. Not if we are sitting, if we are going at Malki ground to sit in demonstration, that we will open the commercial vehicle, not like that. But we are continuing the indefinite strike, and most of the people also we are requesting to come by the private vehicle or by whatever they came, but not by the commercial vehicle.